Good morning everyone, this is Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 10th of May. RBNZ decided to remain on hold. RBNZ decided to remain on hold at plus 1.75%, as was widely expected during today's early Asian morning. The accompanying statement had a more dovish tone, as it stressed out twice that the bank does not expect its interest rate to change for a while in the future, characterizing the plus 1.75% as an expansionary level. Also, the statement mentioned an unprecedented increase in employment and that the best contribution to maximizing sustainable employment would be to keep the overnight cash rate at its current level. As for the future, the direction of RBNZ's next move regarding the interest rate could go either way. Overall, the NZD USD dropped by some 30 pips as the market expected the decision. We see the case for a weaker kiwi in the near future, as the RBNZ seems quite comfortable with it and in no rush for a more hawkish stance. NZD USD dropped yesterday and during today's Asian morning, testing the 0.6925 support line. The pair could continue to trade in a rather bearish market, as the US financial data due out today could favor the greenback. Should the bears continue to be in charge, we could see the pair breaking the 0.6925 support line and aim for the 0.6825 support level. Should the bulls take over, we could see the pair bouncing on the 0.6925 support line and aim, if not break, the 0.6985 resistance line. Singapore, most probably the meeting place of Kim and Trump. Media suggested that Singapore will probably be the meeting place of Kim and Trump after Mike Pompeo, the US Secretary of State, returned from North Korea, where he made preparations for the upcoming meeting. Pompeo returned to the US with 3 released American citizens. The North Korean move was considered as a gesture of goodwill towards the US. On other news, South Korea, China and Japan agreed that North Korea should be given aid if it denuclearizes, and highlighted the unity amid North Korea moves. Should there be further positive news on the issue, we could see stability starting to settle in the region. USDJPY rose yesterday, testing the 109.76 resistance line. We see the case for the pair to trade in a sideways manner with some bullish tendencies, as the US inflation data due out today could favor the USD side. From a technical point of view, we continue to have a bullish bias as the pair continues to trade above the upward trend line incepted since the 26th of March. Should the pair find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 109.76 resistance line and aim for the 110.45 resistance hurdle. On the other hand, should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 109.20 support line. In today's other economic highlights, during today's European session, we will have the Avast IPO on the London Stock Exchange, UK's manufacturing output growth rate for March, the UK trade balance figure for March, and the star of the day, the release of BOE's interest rate decision as well as the bank's inflation report. In the American session, we get the US inflation data for April as well as the US initial jobless claims figure. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Iosif from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.